Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to generate high quality AI image. In order to do this, make sure you have Adobe Photoshop. Now open the Adobe Photoshop. Here inside the Photoshop, on the top side there is what they say text to image. Now click on it. Here type what you want to generate, or just type anything in order to get inside, and then clean it off. Now type what you want to the AI to generate. For me, I will use a beautiful girl standing in the rain. As you can see, I've write what I want the AI to generate for me. Here you can select the aspect ratio you want, which means the size you want it to be. Here you can select it, see the sizes they have. In order to add this size, the aspect ratio to the image the AI will generate, come at the end of your written word and input the aspect ratio like this. You see it, and then click on generate. But also you can apply styles, color, or content type you want it to be. Here you select the content type. Here you select the style you want it to be. Here you select the color you want it to be. Now click on generate. Wait for the AI to generate it. As you can see, the AI have generated perfectly. You see it, and also it is in high quality. But at the end of this video, I will show you how to enhance this generated image to be more beautiful. You see it, it's like we will use this one. Now anyone you want to use or want to download, anyone you want to save in this generated image, just click on this downloading icon on the top side. Wow, please just use this one. This one is not there. Now after downloading the image you want to use, you can go back by clicking on your back arrow. Here at the generated image, we can enhance the picture, make it more beautiful by clicking on it. Here in the editing platform in the Adobe Photoshop, you can select any look you want. See it, and then click on save. You see it. That's how to generate high quality AI image. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And also subscribe for more AI tool and tech related guide. Thank you for watching. The link to download this app is in the description section. Thank you for watching once again. See you on the next video. Thanks.